Alright guys, we're here in a 2020 Ford Ranger. We have no active alarm. I just have the hazards on already. We're going to be simply adding a key. We're in our My Keys Pro app. We're using the Smart Pro Mini. So we're going to program a key. We're going to go ahead and select Ford. And we're going to go down to Model. We're going to go to Ranger. And there's our choices. As you can see, we have 18 to 22 for procs and 18 to 21 bladed. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take our OEM refurb key. We'll stick it right here in our cup holder, as you guys can see right there. And we're going to go start programming, and we'll use all ones. Yes is going to take one token. We're going to hit continue. Okay, it's launching our app right now, which is going to be MI1111. Ignition's off. All right, we're going to go to program keys. Active alarm, no. As you can see, it's already gaining access. Our hazards already stop flashing. All right, so it's going to read the data. Just like our normal Smart Pro goes through and does the same exact thing. All right, so we're going to wait and we'll be back as soon as this is done. Our hazard just came back on and power to the dash. We've gained data. We've gained access. We're going to hit OK. Please select if you want to clear keys by selecting no. If you want to add keys without clearing. Only select yes if you want to clear keys. So we do not want to clear keys. So we're going to hit no. All right, we got our key in the programming slot right there. We're going to hit OK. Here our door lock cycle. Key programming successful. We're going to hit OK. Do we want to program another key? We're going to hit no. As you just heard everything click and hesitate, so it should be backing out. So we're going to cancel and back out. Alright guys, 2020 Ford Ranger push to start. Did an add key with no active alarm with the Smart Pro Mini. As always, these videos are brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.